What a punk ass, and why are you dressed up as Prancer?
Say what? I'm just trying to get paid. You should talk, you silly Santa elf bitch.
Well, at least I do not have to take it in the ass from Comet and Blitzen.
Well, maybe you should. And it is only during red-eye flights, so whatever, man. So anyway, it is officially ho-ho-ho holiday season and Worcester area codes, fool. You going to Ralph's on January 14th or what? Lag. You're lagging. Lag.
Hell yes, DJ fuckface, and you know this, man. Tester, Nullset bitches, plank, and pistol shot Gypsy. Cut that shit now go. I be tailgating at crack of Cupid's ass bitch.
Perfecto, so I will see you in the parking lot at dawn then on the 14th, fuck yes. I will be bringing all my super fly bitches to this one.
I am going to be so hungover at work the day after the show I'm not gonna do anything.
Except bathe in and savor rock and roll power.